I wanted to give you a little rundown on this welding cart that I just got done building. Bought me a Lincoln Squarewave 200. It's really for work, for welding, and then also for knife making. It's nice to be able to do like some fusion weld on mosaics or on feather, stuff like that. But I wanted to build this cart. You can buy a cart, but your welder sits on top, and I wanted a place to put everything up, keep it protected. You can see I got a place off to the side for my torch and my ground and my pedal up there. I might add one more shelf up there to keep all my cups and tungsten and all that kind of stuff. I got pegs over here to keep my stainless and my aluminum abrasive separate over here. The height on this is 31 inches, and the overall length from the front to the back here where the bottle sits is 3 foot. I left the back open just a little bit so that I could get my cord and my argon hose through there, without it being too cramped, and then put expanded metal so that I could still get in plenty of airflow through there. And got swivel wheels actually on the front. The back ones I welded them to where they're solid because I couldn't find any solid ones. The top has a 3/4 lip all the way around it. You set stuff on top of your cart, you don't want it rolling off, so that's all that's for, and a handle to push it around. Got some pretty good hinges on it. I started to put piano hinge on it, and I thought, no, I'm gonna put those little bullet hinges on there. They're cheap enough. So anyway, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing complicated about it. Just trying to have a spot for everything, just to make life a lot easier. If you've got any questions on, any of it, I guess I should say that basically everything's built out of 3/16. I know it's a little bit overkill. You could probably get by with 12 gauge on all of it, maybe even less. But there's no framework to it. It's all just plate steel welded together. But like I said, if you got any questions on anything, leave a comment and I'll try to get to it. And thanks for watching.